Tesla introduces a cabin camera-based driver monitoring system. When FSD is enabled, the system will primarily use the camera to gauge driver attentiveness. In a recent interaction on X, Elon Musk confirmed that the long-standing steering wheel nag, designed to ensure driver attentiveness, would be removed in FSD version 12.4. Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, supervised is a hands-on feature that allows a Tesla to drive almost anywhere while under the driver's supervision. However, the driver must remain attentive and keep their hands on the steering wheel at all times. The nag reminds the driver to touch the steering wheel with a screen message and a blinking blue warning. Teslas do have buttons. A scroll button is located on each side of the steering wheel. The driver can touch either scroll button or wiggle the steering wheel to answer the nag. Similarly, the cabin camera monitors your continued attentiveness when using full self-driving, supervised. This system cannot be disabled. The touchscreen displays a message reminding you to pay attention if you repeatedly look away from the road, obstruct the camera, or prevent the system from identifying your gaze. If you repeatedly ignore prompts to apply slight force to the steering wheel or to pay attention, full self-driving, supervised, disables for the rest of the drive and displays the following message requesting you to drive manually. If you don't resume manual steering, full self-driving, supervised, sounds a continuous chime, turns on the warning flashers, and slows the vehicle to a complete stop. 8 cameras and powerful vision processing provide 360 degrees of visibility at up to 250 meters of range. 3 cameras mounted behind the windshield provide broad visibility in front of the car, and focused, long-range detection of distant objects. 90-degree redundant forward-looking side cameras look for cars unexpectedly entering your lane on the highway and provide additional safety when entering intersections with limited visibility. This system provides a view of the world that a driver alone cannot access, seeing in every direction simultaneously, and on wavelengths that go far beyond the human senses. The artificial intelligence uses this superhuman visibility to react faster than a human can, resulting in greater driver safety. FSD learned to drive by watching millions of humans drive over 1 billion miles on many different types of roadways, including curves, intersections, turns, roundabouts, and highways. After years of promising full self-driving, Tesla finally appears to crack the elusive technology that would allow cars to drive autonomously. The FSD Beta V12, the first end-to-end AI variant, has been hyped as mind-blowing by Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Not that this means anything, Musk has been saying the same thing for all the major FSD beta versions in recent years. However, as the FSD Beta V12 started rolling out to customer vehicles as version 12.3, it has been unanimously praised for its human-like performance. Use of full self-driving, supervised, will be suspended if improper usage is detected. When you or another driver of your vehicle receives 5 forced autopilot disengagements, use of full self-driving, supervised, is suspended for a week. A forced disengagement is when the autopilot system disengages for the remainder of a trip after the driver receives several audio and visual warnings for inattentiveness.